We are reporting live, Channel 13.5 News. Today we're discussing the eyeball. How do you see? How are you able to use the eyeballs that you have? Get ready, here is Sean.
Now the human eye is quite the wonder of the eye. It may be small, but it does quite a lot just to help us do a pretty everyday function as long as you're opening your eyes. And the way that we are allowed to see is that when light is shown onto the eye, the cornea helps bend and refract light to help focus it through the pupil. And the light goes through the pupil and the iris helps block any unnecessary light so that it's not like a blurry image. And then all the light goes into the center of your eye, and the vitreous humor along with the retina helps concentrate the light to send it all the way through to the optic nerve, which will then send these signals to your brain. And then this will process the light that you're seeing, and this will go all the way back to help give you sight, and that's how we see.
Our model, we've created a 3D model of the eye. As in the last demonstration where Sean showed you how you were able to see. So first part of the eye, we're going to start from the outside and go in, is the cornea. This protects from things like, salt, sugar, dust, things that would get in your eyes. Then there's the iris. So next is the iris. This helps filter out light that doesn't need to be seen, and this is where your eye's color comes from. Then there's the pupil, and this is where the light enters. The pupil is a literal hole in your eye. Then there's the aqueous humor. It's this little tiny liquid in the middle between your cornea, iris, and pupil and your inside of your eye. Then there's the lens. The lens is what focuses your eye to project the light back. The light has to go through this liquid called the vitreous humor. And it is very, it's just that. This is the retina. Now the retina is what captures the light. It's what sends these signals through the optic nerve, and it goes through blood vessels to your brain. There are two parts to the outside of your eye. There's the sclera, which is the white part of your eye. It also protects from other things, and it keeps your eye shaped. It's a very thick, heavy layer. Then there's the choroid, which is basically just kind of like an intermediate layer between the sclera and the retina. But in your retina, the blood vessels and the optic nerve have to connect somewhere. So they're going to connect through something we like to call the blind spot. This is a spot where your eye cannot see, because that's where all the blood vessels go. This is our model of the eye.